Good morning, friends. Last week of this year, again, couple of more days to go. Now, what's how the market queue is looking like? Firstly, I think we should remember that again, in terms of the global queues actually are negative. Primarily, we have two important events here: the government shutdown and the sort of political tussle between the Democrats and Republicans in US that is creating uncertainty. But then also on a chart basis, again, 23,300. That was a very important level for Dow. That marked again an important reversal for the Dow again. So some serious levels were breached last week. We saw very high selling, and from there we saw a correction of 1500 points. And till that time, again, we don't see a resolution in terms of government shutdown. Perhaps there could be some more negativity or selling coming our way. Last week of calendar year usually marks low volumes, less liquidity, more swing trades. So again, be prepared for that. So again, don't have a notion in your mind that yes, this is a trend which is looking on charts or which is looking as per you, and that's going to stay. Again, there could be some swing trades here, but on a broader structure basis, it's a weak structure. You actually could be looking for more selling in crude oil. Again, we've already seen some sharp corrections in the last three session itself. Again, forget about the last month. And from crude oil, again, also the metals, those actually are not giving you that sort of firm positive or negative cues here. So no directional cues there. Don't play on metals again. It's not worth it. On the global front, again, on the Asian side, we are not actually trading with large negative swings here, primarily because we had a holiday, and then also Asia is not actually giving you that sort of swing here. Dow futures are off from day's high, and I don't think they're going to sustain at the day's high. They might be slipping into red here till the time there is no positive news on the political front. So Dow could be giving you negative swings, and then also again you could be getting swings again on our markets also. Till the time we don't cross 10,700, I think be prepared for a sort of a more downfall here. So I think trades with respect to level, I think should be important. So 10,700 level, that is your level again. Below that you can remain short, and if you start trading above that, then I can think you can go for an intraday long, but there is no point of carrying long position till the time you don't get a close about 10,800, which will mark a reversal back towards 11,000, 11,200 levels. Till the time we're trading below that, positionally it's a weak market, and on an intraday basis 10,700, that's the pivotal level, so play around that here. Bank Nifty 26,700, that's the important level. You trade below that, you get a correction of 300 points. So below 26,700 there is a correction of 300 points. About that, once you start trading about 26,750, you get a swing of 200 points. About 27,000, you get another swing of 300 points. So those are the levels we should be playing for. I think today, perhaps we could be playing for negativity here. FIs actually have reduced their short position. So I would say FIQs actually are mild positive. For a year-end basis, it's not because they tactically are turning positive. It's more about the year-end reduction in the positions. Nifty futures open interest down 26%. Again, the fund managers, traders are going on holidays. They don't want to sit in the market, so the positions are going down. See, I would read the FIQs also from that perspective, not from a tactical perspective. FNO Qs very neutral, metal Qs negative, oil Qs positive, global Qs mild negative, or I should say neutral, primarily because Asia is trading positive. On a totality basis, we have a neutral Q today, so do not expect any runaway negative swing here. Wait for the first 15 minutes and then again prepare your strategy. First 15 minutes are going to give you a directional cue for the full day here. So that's the market outlook. Today is slightly different. Don't have a fixation in your mind that it's going to be directional from the day point one, second one. Wait for the first 15 minutes and you will know again. And my vote will be market will be taking a negative directional swing here. So be prepared for that, and watch out the news flow again around the US markets. As soon as you hear the political resolution, market could be turning positive here. So till the time you don't get that, market will remain negative. So that's it, and have a good day.